Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we learned today that a new division will be born at Microsoft with three things that are moving there. So it is apparent that AI is getting a big push and is getting a very, very popular side to it. And the three items that are going to move to a new AI division is Microsoft Edge. With Microsoft Edge, of course, everything that has to do with Bing will be moved there too. And Copilot is also something that's going to be moved to AI division of Microsoft. So this is interesting as they are taking all of their online services like Bing, this Bing search, even the Edge browser and Copilot are all going into one big AI melting pot. What will that change or mean is I don't know, but they are also moving and shuffling some people around. So changes coming in. And of course, I think it's a little normal that if they want to focus on some AI stuff, that there is a official AI division on what are the different items, what services are going there, which ones will be affected the most. This could maybe mean some changes coming up with Edge itself. Already Edge, of course, had Copilot within it, but I would guess that they might even make the AI side of Edge even more prevalent. And so we'll see what happens with that. And we'll see how it shapes the future of Windows itself, because these three services, Copilot, Bing, and of course the Edge browser, are all integral part of the Windows operating system now, especially Windows 11. And that probably is also looking for the future, what's coming up in the fall with 24H2, which is going to be a major update, as we know, to Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.